Welcome to my channel Gosia Our Home Cooking. Today I would like to show you how to make this very healthy Beets Kvass brine, fantastic low carb, natural probiotic. My family enjoys so much and I hope you enjoy too. For today's recipe, in Beets Brine juice I need 4 really large beets roots, 5 garlic cloves, water, about 5 allspices, 5 black pepper, 5 bay leaves, and sea salt. I'll use 1.5 tablespoon. The first part I have to put on my gloves. Next I have to wash this scrub beets to remove the dirt and earthy smell. From beets now I will peel, remove the skin from beets, pre-wash everything. I make this drink we enjoy so much. I like to share this recipe with you, especially right now. Try to strengthen our immune system. Very simple, it's not expensive recipe. Get organic beets and make the brine. Natural probiotic, so many great vitamins. I just slice small pieces because later on I use beets to make beet soup, because for drinking we just use the Beets Brine juice and I don't waste any beets, so I make soup. I pre-cut 2 beets already, and now next step I put the 2 garlic cloves. I cut and a half and I put on the top of beets. I love garlic. Next, allspice, whole black pepper, and bay leaves. Now I put the rest of beets to the jar. Garlic. Few allspice, black pepper, boiling water, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, and just mix everything and wait when cool down. Warm temperature you can pour over beets. Water cool down, so I'll pour over beets. I will cover beets with cotton cloth and I put the rubber, and I will keep beets in a warm place for 5 to 7 days. The first day, let's go check what's going on now. You see the foam already formed and the color change. Stir gently and cover with cotton cloth. Best to keep in a dark place, and right now it's very warm outside, so the process will be pretty quick. I think so it takes 5 days. The third day you still can see the bubbles. Let me check, looks like we need 2 more days. 5th day, of course, let me just smell. Wow, look at the color. Let me check. Wow, excellent, perfect taste. I can taste garlic. Next step, I will drain juice from the beets. It looks absolutely beautiful. You don't see any foams. I try to keep very sterilized. I will pour this to sterilized barrel. I just boil water and I will sterilize barrel to be sure to remove any germs. Everything must be sterilized. You can see I sterilize everything. Now I will drain Beets Kvass brine. Look at this, the color is amazing, deep ruby color, perfect. And the beets I will use for the soup, I will put first in a freezer for next time to use. It's perfect beet soup. Try this. Even a beet that tastes so good, nice sour taste, perfect. I have so much juice, natural beets juice. Great vitamins from nature. to strengthen your immune system. And this barrel is 0.75 liter. I have 2.75 liter of barrel. To stop the fermentation process, I will put juice in a refrigerator. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. See you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego. Bye bye.